Hi everyone and welcome to Coin Smash demo. All right, so when you log in into Coin Smash members area, this is the landing page where you will land on. And if you see on the left, they all are menus, or we can even say modules, which are grouped into relevant headings for easy navigation and understanding. Okay, so even before getting into detail, I'll just take you through what these menu are. So there is a welcome video. So Nancy and I have put together a kind of a brief on who we are as part of the welcome, and then given an introduction on Coin Smash, and have given an overview of how Coin Smash or rather what Coin Smash is all about. Okay, and then going further, so as you might have seen that we always have been telling as part of our promotion and things like that, is we have handpicked the cryptocurrency exchanges. So when we say make money with cryptocurrency, affiliate a commission with cryptocurrency, to be more precise, it's basically you need to know from where you need to get the affiliate links from. So we have picked up top crypto exchanges like Binance, BlockFi, Coinbase, and also ClickBank. Okay, and these are the detailed modules where Nancy and I have taken you through how to create or how to secure those affiliate links, okay, for all these cryptocurrency exchanges. So Binance, BlockFi, Coinbase, and well, ClickBank, it's not a cryptocurrency exchange, but definitely there are high and low ticket crypto offers that you often find in ClickBank, which you can pick up and you can promote in various social medias and then earn commission. Okay, and all right, moving on to next. So that was about how to secure your affiliate links. So now that you've secured your affiliate links, you need to promote them so that people look into your affiliate links and then they register through your affiliate links and start making a sale, because it's basically on that sale you earn crypto commissions. Okay, so again, Nancy and I, we have picked up our top social media sites where it is really, really good and very effective when you promote your offers or crypto related offers into these sites. Okay, number one we all know about is YouTube. Okay, so YouTube, we all know launch jacking, and we all know, that's the biggest search engine next to Google. So YouTube is one of the medium you can use to promote your crypto offers, and we have went into detail on how to do that in YouTube. Facebook, so how you can pick up your crypto offers and promote it in Facebook, like what are the kind of how you need to be posting it in Facebook, and what all are the groups that you can follow in Facebook. So things like that, which will be really helpful in getting the traction, your offers being presented to different kind of people. So those kind of information we have given here. And the third one is Twitter. We all know that Twitter is again a kind of a medium where cryptocurrency is very, very popular. Just go out to Twitter and you will see that there are so many groups and so many people talking about cryptos and new coins and being introduced and airdrops and things like that. So again, how can you promote your crypto offers using Twitter? Now over here, I just want to highlight one thing. Just as a kind of an add-on, we have given a very, very interesting product called TweetX. Okay, so TweetX is a very, very popular launch, which was done by including Jono, so with other team members. So it's a very popular product, guys. So it helps, it's a Chrome extension. So Twitter Chrome extension, basically a Chrome extension for Twitter, where you can tweet, you can do direct messaging, and you can follow people, and on autopilot. These all happens on autopilot, so you don't need to do individually. Okay, so again, how to use TweetX, how to install it, and all those kind of information is given over here. Now the fourth one is Medium. Now this is a very, very new and not very much talked about because it's new. So when we say Twitter, we do have a limitation of the number of words, like you can't exceed more than certain number of words. But with Medium, that's not the case. So the person who created Twitter is the same people who created Medium. Okay, so in Medium you will be able to create content, not like tweets in Twitter, where you have definitely you have restriction out there, but in Medium you can create stories. So content also is very important when you are promoting your offer. So along with the content, you can attach your affiliate links and make it more interesting and exciting and enticing for people to go through your content, click on your affiliate link and register themselves and make a sale. And on the sale, you earn, again, crypto commission. So this was the top 4 free traffic sources that we have taken you through in detail. So that will really be helpful for you to promote your crypto offers along with content, and within as part of your content, the affiliate link that you have learned how to secure using this module. Okay, now the third one I want to take you through is the done for you offer. Okay, this is a very, very interesting section. So what we have done over here is we have taken the so we have taken 3 offers from ClickBank. Okay, so 1 high ticket and 2 low ticket offers. And when I say done for you bonus page, so what happens here is so we have these 3 high ticket and low ticket offers from ClickBank, and we have made your life very, very simple by generating this bonus page instantly. Okay, so all that you got to do is give a name. Okay, so I just give a name. Okay, make sure you do not give a space. Okay, it does not accept space. And you can just add your affiliate link here. It can be anything, like 1 2 3 4 5 at something, ABC, your affiliate link from ClickBank. Over here, just for demo purpose, I'm just putting a different some dummy data, but you need to take your affiliate link and put it over here, and then you select say this particular offer from ClickBank, and then I say submit. Okay, so when you say submit, can you see this? This is the link, and when you copy that and then you paste over here in a different tab, and ta-da, the bonus page is generated automatically. So the way it's been designed is the content of that particular high or low ticket offer, whichever you select, that's already been pre-populated along with the bonuses. So bonuses, we all know when you're promoting an offer or product, bonuses are very critical. So that's something that really entices, or that really excites people, and they are ready to purchase your product. So what we have done is you don't even need to go searching for bonus and add it to this particular bonus page or the offer page. We have done everything for you. So you have the bonuses, you have the content already written over here, and then also the offer, the crypto offer from ClickBank. Okay, so all that you have to do is take the link and start promoting it to wherever or whichever social media you want to, based on the module. I'll just go back to the members area. So based on whichever you like, say that particular link, the bonus page, you can pick it up, and either you can you can paste it in YouTube or Facebook or Twitter or Medium. You can use any of these sources to start promoting that particular offer. So that is just one of the offers. Okay, that is these are only for the ClickBank offers. Okay, but for the other ones, you need to be writing some content and then promoting it in these sources. All right, so this is a very, very interesting feature, guys. It's done for you completely. All that you got to do is just add a name, your affiliate link, and then the bonus page is ready. Just click the URL and pick the URL and start promoting it. That's all you got to do. And the highlight of this particular product, Coin Smash, I want to mention is the case study. So you please don't miss to go through this case study, and just what myself and Nancy, we have done is we have shared all our tactics and and all our strategies that we have used to make this commission. So if you see, myself and Nancy, we were able to make a commission of 3,500 plus in for within like 3.5 4 months. Okay, so we have shared that strategy over here, so please don't forget to see or go through that case study, okay, before going into detail or applying these strategies. Go through the case study and see what we have to say and just try replicating those things. Okay, so that was about the case study, and nevertheless there are upgrades over here, and also bonuses, which you will be able to see as part of the sales page, and also we have upgrades which is mentioned on the sales page. And that's all I have in this demo video. Thank you so much.